Hi, I'm Josh, Technical Director here at Refresh, and today we're going to look at the first domestic install in Northern Ireland of the Alpha E-Tec hybrid. The Alpha E-Tec comprises of two units, the outdoor air source unit and the indoor boiler. It's really compact because it has that indoor boiler to back it up at lower temperatures. Plus, the air source unit is able to be located really close to properties because of its low noise. One of the key advantages of a hybrid system and keeping your boiler is you don't need to upgrade your existing property. That includes pipework, radiators, and insulation. The hybrid unit uses a combi boiler, therefore there's no need for a bulky hot water storage tank. The hybrid heat pump is unique as it chooses the most cost-effective way to heat your home. It chooses between gas and electric, so you get the best deal on your energy. For example, if electricity prices skyrocket, the hybrid unit will use the gas boiler, giving you energy security. The hybrid unit uses the external temperature to decide whether the air source unit or the boiler should heat your home. For example, at low temperatures, the air source unit can't take as much heat from the air, therefore the boiler will be used. The Alpha E-Tec hybrid comes with smart controls that Bluetooth with the boiler, so you can control the internal temperature of your home and program your energy tariffs. You can also control your device with the Alpha app. Here, you can program calendars to suit your need. For example, we have heating in the morning and in the evening. We are now installing the Alpha E-Tec hybrid across Northern Ireland. Contact us for a free, no obligation survey and heat loss study. Or for more information, visit our website or give us a call.